Hi, I'm three-time Formula Drift champion Chris Forsberg, and here's behind the look.
See?
Yeah.
Want to sip of water?
Good, jeez.
Powder.
Yeah.
That always helps me.
Yeah. Hi, I'm three-time Formula Drift champion Chris Forsberg, and this is a behind-the-scenes look at SEMA.
All right, and cut. Great. What are we doing?
Everyone's ready.
Yeah, go for it.
All right.
All right, where are we? Jackson, if you don't start, I'm rolling. Go.
All right, we're at SEMA. We're at the Optima Burnout Pit today. We are running the Altimaniac, giving some ride-alongs. We got a couple of industry folks and a couple of randos. Or what do I call them? What are randos? Normal people? Randos. We have normal people.
I'm not editing that out.
You shouldn't. You should leave that in there. All right, we're out at SEMA today. We're at the Optima Burnout Pit. We're running the Altimaniac. So we're giving some ride-alongs for a couple different people. Just tearing up this burnout pit. It's actually a lot bigger than I was expecting. So we've been able to get some pretty good speed out there, get like third and fourth gear. So we're just having a blast, giving some people, industry folks, and a couple of fans just a ride-along experience, give them something to remember from SEMA 2023.
Yeah.
Loud noises.
This thing's awesome. Altimaniac always delivers. It's easily the wildest car we've ever built. It's the wildest car here, I would say, hands down. Just super fast, even for a loose, dusty parking lot. It just hooks up and goes. What's up, Chris Forsberg here?
Mike and Diaz.
Yeah, we're doing the Optima Drift demo, and I brought the Altimaniac. What you got?
Got my Beamer.
Nice.
Yeah.
Running some GT radios, having a good time. We got a whole bunch of people out here trying to get some rides, so let's do it.
Do it.
How was it?
That was sick. It was sick. I'm full of adrenaline right now. Valvoline Altimaniac is unmatched.
How was it?
Oh man, that was amazing. The grip this thing has is just phenomenal. It's so impressive.
Have you ever been in a drift car?
I actually own a drift car, ironically, with that wrap on it, but never as a passenger, and my car is nothing like this thing. It's just absolutely ridiculous. Having arguably one of the best drivers in the world in the steering position, like it's just not a better feeling. Like going out there and being able to do that thing, like it's just amazing.
Is this your outfit?
Yep.
Is this your outfit over here?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, this is our,
You want to stand next to yourself?
I know, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, myself and then Letitia, she was the co-driver.
There you go. So I'll stand over here and you can stand right here.
Cool.
I have a question for you guys.
Okay, go ahead.
Why is the car still dirty? What happened?
Nissan wanted it dirty still.
Come on, I thought it was gonna be all clean and shiny.
No, that
You
everybody's
drove
car.
that thing down here?
Yeah.
Dirty like that?
Everybody's car is clean at SEMA, so we're changing it up.
Alright, cool. I
But
got
how
it.
does it feel seeing this after racing it at SEMA?
Man, it's amazing to see the car here, you know. We had a lot of fun in Nora, and I can't wait to race again. I really enjoy every minute of it, and the car is just amazing like it looks.
And what about seeing miniature you next to the truck?
I mean, it looks a little taller than me, so it looks better. It actually looks better than me, okay? No, that's cool. I was not expecting that, so thanks, Chris. Not you, Chris.
Wow. Okay, cut.
Yes,
How does
sir.
it feel seeing this thing at SEMA now after driving it here?
Oh,
Well, driving
man.
to Mexico, then
Yeah.
here.
It's yeah, it's crazy. Like I haven't even been over to the booth yet, so this is the first time I actually got to see it in the booth. But yeah, built the truck, drove it to Mexico, ran the race, win the race, drove it all the way back here to SEMA, and here we go. We're lighting it off with Nissan. Everybody's stoked, so this is gonna be an awesome show.
My good friend. How's it going, Chris?
It's going really well.
Chris Forsberg, everyone. Very good. So, Chris, this is a custom build as well. Now, you did this yourself.
Yes, myself and our team back at Forsberg Racing, there's many people on this build. We actually went from the fully stock version of this Frontier to what you see here in 1 month time. And that was full body off, custom CAD design roll cage all the way through. And the biggest thing about this truck is that we ran it in the production class. And so what that means, it has the factory frame, all factory suspension components, and the factory drivetrain. And the one thing that we did modify on it is we added all the Nismo off-road accessories, and so it has a Nismo off-road front suspension, the lift kit, also has the lighting package, the roof rack, and you know, from there we went through and tore it down. We got a little bit of weight out of it, but you know what you can see on it is all the accessories and bits that we needed to run in the Nora 500 race. And so myself and Letitia Buffani over here, she was my co-driver. I drove on the west leg and she drove on the east leg when we went to San Felipe and back. And we went through the entire race with zero mechanical issues, no failures. We actually built the truck, we drove it to Mexico, ran in the race. We won first in class, and then we actually drove it all the way here to SEMA. So this thing still has the dust from Mexico on it. We had, like I said, no flats on our Yokohama tires, and we debuted a few new custom components. We had some custom Nismo off-road B-lock wheels made, so they helped us get through the desert with no flats. Yeah, absolutely zero issues. It was just a fantastic build that our team came together and was able to put together in pretty record time, I would say.
Amazing. You just, but you're locked in. But man, he does some twists and turns that just blow you away. Amazing. You know, 3-time champion. How can you complain about getting a ride like that? So thank him and team for having me. I appreciate it.
How do you feel now that you're getting a ride in Altimaniac?
A little nervous. I've only been in one drift ride along before, and it is nowhere near this level. Chris is a 3-time FD champion, so I think I'm in for basically the ride of my life. That if you've never done anything like this, I don't think I can get across all the different experiences, the feelings that I just had. It's visceral. Like the turbo and the exhaust is right next to your ear. You feel every pulse of the engine. The G-forces are the most crazy things you've ever felt, and you can feel when the car grips. The craziest thing is, as passengers are freaking out. Chris, this is another Sunday drive for him. He knows exactly what he's doing. You can feel when the car grips up. You can feel when he kicks it way further out than any like normal driver or drifter would ever do. And then it's effortless for him, and it's crazy for us. If you haven't done a drift ride along, do it, and then you're gonna have an issue because you're gonna want a drift car. So that's what I'm working on next, the drift car now.
I couldn't see. Chris Forsberg on top. That was insane. This man's an animal. My soul left my body and came back, and then it left again, and then it came back. Bro, dude, that was crazy. Doesn't get better. Dude. Forsberg on top. Forsberg on top. Nissan is #1. I'm out. I can't. FD. Let him race it. Make it FD legal. Come on.
I am Matt Armstrong, and I'm at SEMA in Vegas. Never been in a drift car before, and I am putting myself.
In the house, turn towards the door, and all the man's jaws drop to the floor. It's nothing to me, it's just how I roll.
Here we go. unreal. That was so sick. Oh my god, that was wicked. That was good.
There was that extra space.
It was like it was on ice. You know, as soon as he went out, so sideways.
When he came out.